Hello and welcome to the session. Organizational Behaviour LO2 apply content and process theories of motivation to create and maintain an effective workforce. What drives you to succeed in your workplace? Understanding the motivation behind employee actions is crucial for organizational success. This video will explore key motivation theories and their application in creating an effective workforce. Motivation is the force that stimulates individuals to act towards achieving goals. It provides reasons for people to behave in certain ways. In the workplace, motivation can be classified into content and process theories. Content theories focus on the factors that motivate individuals. Process theories explore how individuals make decisions about their behavior. Content theories focus on what motivates individuals. Alderfer's ERG theory, Hertzberg's two-factor theory, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and McClelland's theory of needs are prominent models. These theories emphasize different needs and factors that drive motivation. They suggest that unmet needs can lead to frustration or motivation in other areas. Understanding these can help tailor motivational strategies in the workplace. Alderfer's ERG theory categorizes human needs into existence, relatedness, and growth. Existence needs include basic physiological and safety needs. Relatedness needs involve social and interpersonal connections. Growth needs focus on self-actualization and personal development. If needs in one category are unmet, individuals may focus on other categories. Hertzberg's two-factor theory distinguishes between hygiene factors and motivators. Hygiene factors are basic needs like salary and job security. Motivators include recognition and opportunities for growth. Meeting hygiene factors prevents dissatisfaction, while motivators enhance satisfaction. This theory helps in designing jobs that promote job satisfaction. Maslow's hierarchy of needs arranges human needs in a pyramid. Basic needs like physiological and safety must be met first. Higher-level needs include social, esteem, and self-actualization. Individuals are motivated to fulfill these needs progressively. This hierarchy guides understanding of employee motivation in organizations. McClelland's theory identifies three motivating needs: achievement, affiliation, and power. The need for achievement drives individuals to accomplish goals. Affiliation focuses on social relationships and belonging. Power involves controlling and influencing others. Understanding these needs helps in tailoring motivation strategies. Process theories explore cognitive processes in decision-making. Adams's equity theory, Latham and Locke's goal-setting theory, and Porter and Lawler's expectancy theory are key models. These theories focus on fairness, goal clarity, and expected outcomes. They provide insights into how individuals evaluate their work situations. Applying these theories can enhance motivation and engagement. Adams' equity theory emphasizes fairness in the workplace. Individuals compare their inputs and outputs with others. Perceived inequity can lead to demotivation and disengagement. Ensuring fairness in rewards and recognition is crucial. This theory helps organizations maintain a motivated workforce. Latham and Locke's theory highlights the power of goal setting. Specific, challenging goals motivate individuals. Clear, measurable goals increase motivation and performance. Feedback on progress is essential for motivation. This theory guides effective goal-setting practices in organizations. Porter and Lawler's expectancy theory focuses on expected outcomes. Motivation is linked to the belief that effort leads to performance. Performance should result in desired rewards. Rewards must satisfy individual needs. This theory helps design effective reward systems. Self-determination theory emphasizes autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Individuals are motivated by control over their work. Feeling competent and having positive relationships boost motivation. This theory suggests creating supportive work environments. Empowerment and recognition are key to motivation. Motivational theories inform management and leadership practices. Understanding employee needs helps tailor motivational strategies. Providing feedback and recognition enhances motivation. Empowering employees fosters autonomy and engagement. Reward systems should align with performance expectations. Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation differ in sources and effects. Intrinsic motivation is driven by personal interest and satisfaction. Extrinsic motivation relies on external rewards and recognition. Intrinsic motivation leads to persistence and creativity. Understanding these differences aids in designing motivational strategies. Motivation, job satisfaction, and employee commitment are interconnected. Motivation drives job satisfaction and engagement. Job satisfaction influences motivation and commitment. Employee engagement enhances motivation and performance. Understanding these relationships helps foster a motivated workforce. Reinforcement initiatives modify employee behavior. Positive reinforcement encourages desired behaviors. Identifying rewards and communicating expectations is crucial. Monitoring performance ensures desired behavior is demonstrated. Feedback and rewards reinforce positive actions. Low motivation is marked by lack of enthusiasm and productivity. High motivation shows enthusiasm, engagement, and creativity. Motivated employees take initiative and have positive attitudes. Understanding these traits helps address motivation issues. Tailoring strategies to boost motivation is essential. Motivation theories guide work design in organizations. Job design impacts motivation and performance. Goal setting and job enrichment enhance motivation. Autonomy and rewards boost engagement. Applying these theories creates a motivated workforce. The Job Characteristics Model outlines 5 core job characteristics. Skill variety, task identity, and task significance are key. Autonomy and feedback enhance motivation and satisfaction. Increasing these characteristics promotes intrinsic motivation. This model guides job redesign for better performance. Motivation theories inform reward and benefit design. Intrinsic motivation needs support through skill development. Extrinsic motivation requires clear, meaningful rewards. Total rewards theory suggests a mix of financial and non-financial incentives. Fair and transparent reward systems enhance motivation. Empowerment enables individuals to take control of their work. It helps meet higher-level needs like self-actualization and esteem. Providing autonomy and decision-making authority is key. Empowerment fosters a sense of belonging and collaboration. This approach promotes motivation and career growth. In conclusion, applying content and process theories of motivation is essential for creating and maintaining an effective workforce. Content theories help managers understand what motivates individuals, while process theories explain how motivation influences behavior and performance. By applying these theories in practice through rewards, goal setting, recognition, and supportive work environments, organizations can enhance employee engagement, satisfaction, and productivity. Effective motivation strategies contribute to improved performance, reduced turnover, and a positive organizational culture. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.